How to bevel vertices in Blender. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to bevel vertices, so let's jump right into the video. So if you want to bevel vertices, Control Tab to switch to edit mode, and here press 1 on your keyboard or select vertices here, and or whatever. You can also select this face, let's say, and now here we go to Control V, okay, and here we have bevel vertices, right? Here we go here, vertex and bevel vertices, and now as you can see, you bevel vertices. You can also use the shortcut, the hotkeys, so you can also go like this. You can also press A to select everything, and now you press in the keyboard Control Shift and B. Okay, you can see here the command Shift Control B, Shift Control B, right? So A to select everything if that's what you want to bevel, every corner here. So Control Shift B now, as you can see. So I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.